Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2008 Lexus RX 350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, right down here, focus, okay, right down here under the steering column, audio and trip, and we're just going to use that button, okay? And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, now we are going to use the audio instead of trip A or B. So we're going to use that button to change it to audio, just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. And at the same time, go ahead and press that button and hold it. And turn on your car without starting. Give me a second. Hold that button and turn on your car without starting. And you should see the blinkers running just like that. And we are done, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.